In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add links to Constant Contact button. Start by opening your email in the editor. This is the area where you build and design your message, including text, images, and call to action elements like buttons. Make sure you are working in the correct email draft before you begin, because the button link you add will apply to this specific layout. Next, look to the left-hand panel and click Tools. The Tools section is where Constant Contact keeps the building blocks you can add to your email. This is helpful because you are not editing code. You are simply placing elements into the design and adjusting their settings. Now find the button icon. Click and drag it into your email layout, then drop it exactly where you want the button to appear. A good tip is to place the button near the related content, like beneath a short description or near a product or announcement, so the reader understands what they will get when they click. After you drop it in, you should see the button appear right inside your email. Click directly on the button you just added. This will open the button's toolbar where you can change options like the link. In the toolbar, select Link. This is the setting that controls where your button sends someone when they click it. You will then choose the type of link you want to add. Select Web Page if you want the button to send people to a website, landing page, or sign-up page. If you need a different destination, you can also choose Document or Email, depending on what you are trying to link to. Once you choose Web Page, paste your full URL into the field provided. Use the complete address, including the beginning part of the link, so it works correctly when recipients click from different devices and email apps. It also helps to double-check for extra spaces before or after the URL. When the link looks correct, click Insert. This saves the link onto the button, so the button is now clickable and connected to your destination. And that is all there is to it.